Tiberius Trevante Bryant. 2 will be 716-3361.
Michael Carmen, 37384 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
Your
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we'll call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call the case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Against Tiberius Trevante Bryant. Field 4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys hearing this case, victims? No? Okay.
They're not.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael Carmen, 37384 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, you're, I want to ask again. Let's just double check, Mr. Timberly.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going to witness a courtroom moment that spiraled from tense to explosive. It all begins when the defendant walks in for sentencing with a child in his arms. The judge instantly senses manipulation and shuts it down fast. Her tone is calm but firm, making it clear she won't be played. From that very moment, you can feel this hearing won't end well for him.
Durley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews, are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed.
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. They'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Or less than 200, I'm sorry. This he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tiberius Trevante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Since, my client, shares, the care and custody of two young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard on our young family.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand, Your Honor.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, we're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. That's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and, there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant.
As the case unfolds, the defense paints a sympathetic picture, a father trying to provide for his kids. But the judge isn't moved. She calmly recites his long criminal history, thefts, bench warrants, probation violations, each one stacking up like bricks. The courtroom's mood shifts from pleading to judgment. It's that quiet tension before a decision you know won't be in his favor.
For retail fraud 3 out of Southgate, retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What do
Honor.
you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
All right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, Anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No,
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
You're supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25 and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to appeal.
Here comes the breaking point. The judge reads out the sentence: 365 days in jail, 40 to serve, and the rest suspended. She gives him every chance to pay fines, make calls, and start over. But beneath her composed tone, you can hear finality. He's stunned, clearly not expecting jail time, and you can almost feel his disbelief turn into anger. The calm before the eruption is deafening.
212B7163361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days. I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring them up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get I got people saying, I don't care. Me. I ain't ready not to move. Get up. People stop for me, bro. Be on. Run over flat. Run this shit off. At all. So I got surgery on Monday, dog. You got fuck on my shit. I'm 50. Oh my man. Stop. Fuck with me, bro.
All right, Mr. Klein. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Jimmy. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta raise my life.
You ain't making it any better.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I was see what you're doing.
Knock
I
it
gotta
off.
prove
Knock
it
it off.
worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Brian,
Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
Yeah, it is not already. Yeah, bro. Go inside, to the side. It's real good problems out here, real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason. I never understood that, bro. But a woman do anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
All right, guys, this is where it all blows up. The defendant loses control, shouting from the back as the judge warns him again and again. When he refuses to stop, deputies step in and chaos erupts. He is held in contempt, restrained, and let out, his outburst sealing his fate. The judge restores order with authority, ending the hearing on her terms. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.